guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and let me hope you're doing well. It's a beautiful day here, and today we're just going to see how we can keep happy pigs. We want to see how we can keep our pigs happy. You know, when pigs are happy, as farmers, we are also happy. So we're going to share a few things. Or what we can do, and we see our pigs happy all the time. First, I will talk about to those people who have enough space and you find you have a very big land and you can allow your pigs to move out. So it is very important to, if you have a big space, to leave your pigs to go out and run and sunbathe. Because pigs love that. Sometimes we keep them inside because of the space that we have. But if you find that you have a very big space, give your pigs a plenty of outdoor space where they can pray, run, and bathe, and many others. And that will make your pigs happy because they love praying, they love moving around. So you will find that your pigs are staying happy. And also make sure you avoid your pigs to get diseases, injuries, pain. You remember, when they are sick, they are not happy. When they have injuries, they are not happy. So if you really want to keep happy pigs, make sure you avoid or you prevent them from getting injuries. If you discover any disease, make sure you bring the doctor very fast to treat that disease. And by doing that, you will be making your pigs to stay happy. Also, we should always mind about the time we give feeds to our pigs. Remember here, these pigs, they get used. If you give them feeds, let's say morning at 7. If 7 comes, they will know that it's our time to eat. And if you delay and you bring the feeds in the afternoon, you will find your pigs when they are not happy. So mind about the time you're giving feeds to your pigs. If it is 7 a.m., let it be 7 a.m. And if it is 1 p.m., let it be 1 p.m. so that they get used. And by doing that, you're making them happy, because remember, when these pigs are hungry, they will make a lot of noise, they will move, they will, they won't settle, and that will make them unhappy. So make sure you mind about the time you give feeds to your pigs. Also, don't forget to give them clean, fresh water all the time. When these pigs are moving, they get thirsty. And so, if they don't access water, they are not going to be happy. You will find them not doing well. So, make sure you give your pigs water all the time. It's always very important. Always go and check and see if water is in their trenches, because sometimes these pigs, these workers, they don't go and check and see if the pigs have water, because they don't take it to be very serious. Yet water is very important to our pigs. So always give pigs water to make them happy. Also, mind about where they stay. Clean the place very well. Don't allow your pigs to stay in a dirty place, because they won't stay in that place happily. So if you clean the place, make sure you go and check if the house or if the pig stay is still clean. If it is not clean, clean it, so that your pigs are going to stay in that environment happily. If possible, give your pigs a muddy pan with running water, where they can create a cool whirl in summer. Remember, these pigs, they love water, so if you offer them where they can cool their bodies when the temperatures are high, it is going to make them happy. And remember, when these pigs are in that mud, it also protects them. It protects their skin from getting burnt. So it also acts as a sunblock. So it is very important if you can give your pigs a mud patch where they can cool their bodies. Also, you should mind about giving your pigs shade and shelter. This means they are cool in summer and warm in winter. It is very important for your pigs to be with a very good shade and shelter, because they will stay happy in that place. Also, you should mind about keeping your pigs in a very comfortable house or pigsty. You need to know the type of house you're going to put up for your pigs. If you put up a wrong house, your pigs may end up getting injuries, or they may end up fighting and put some damages on their skins, and that is not good, because your pigs are not going to stay very happy. So you should mind about the structure of your pigs. You need to ask people to guide you, and you put up the right house for your pigs. And also, when you really want your pigs to stay happy all the time, you also need to show them care. People who care for the pigs, let's say workers, they should not beat them, be rude to them, because they can understand that this type of so and so is not acting very well towards us. So it is very important to know that these pigs, they also need care. Show them love, and that will make them stay happy and love where they are staying. And also make your pigs stay in a familiar and settled groups. Don't overchange your pigs to move them stay in different areas. That will make your pigs not happy. Make them stay in a very settled and familiar place all the time, so that you avoid that stress that may bring them not to be happy. So we need our pigs to stay in one place, and they get used so that they can keep happy all the time. So you need to mind about those few things, and you see that my pigs are happy. Remember, when these pigs are happy, they will be, if you're keeping them for meat, you will get it at a very high quality. And if you're keeping them for the skin and many other things, you find you're getting the results very well. But if you make your pigs unhappy, you may end up not getting anything, because they are not doing well in their bodies. So you can't get what you expect. So we should always mind about on few things we should do to make our pigs happy all the time. Those are few things I can share with you today on how we can make our pigs happy. You just know you need to give them water all the time, check on them and see if there's anything wrong, work on it very fast. If you have any pig that has an injury, work on it very fast, so that you avoid them to stay unhappy, because we need them to be happy. Because even as human beings, when we are not happy, our work can't move very well. We can't even love our life. So we also need our pigs to be happy, so that they can love themselves and stay happy. So those are just few things we can do to make our pigs happy. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you so much.